Let's check the issue. Start the car. It won't start. Try again. See, this car is very difficult to start. Do you know why? The owner went to 3 repair shops, but none fixed the problem. They all ignored this part. Come here and look. It's called the crankshaft position sensor. I suspect it's faulty. Let's remove and inspect it. Disconnect its connector. Loosen this screw. Now we can pull it out. Oh my god. Look, this sensor is covered in iron shavings. This is why your car struggles to start and guzzles fuel. Let's clean it thoroughly. Okay, now it's spotless. Reinstall it. Done. Now I'll start the car to test. Let's see if the issue's gone. Let's go. Start the engine. Look, fires up instantly. Power's strong too. Problems 100% fixed. Well, did you learn? Follow me for 1,000 plus car tips on my homepage.